This video will talk about if Temu is legit or a scam. Hi, so I just want to say that Temu is a pretty legitimate online marketplace owned by PDD Holdings, a public traded company listed in Nasdaq Stock Exchange. It launched in 2022, and Temu offers a vast array of products at low prices. But you can wonder that their listings are too good to be true, because what do you mean a 90% off right now? The common issues and scams right here is it's their, product quality variability. Customers have reported receiving, items that differ significantly from their description or images that was posted to through this website. Also, shipping delays, customer service, and scam listings, where an open marketplace, Temu hosts third-party sellers, some of whom may engage in deceptive, practices such as misrepresenting products or failing to fulfill orders. There are also phishing and fake promotions, so we need to be beware of this because of its unsolicited messaging or emails claiming to be from Temu, but it is actually not. So here are some tips for Temu when shopping. You need to go to their official channels. Beware, guys. You need to, be um, aware of this, especially when you're shopping online. We need to use the official channels of the websites. We need to, scan the research sellers, check their ratings, and read customer reviews, because Temu is not, responsible for this sellers that sells to customers, but they're actually phishing and scamming. So we need to have this individual standards of choosing our sellers. Also, secure our payments when choosing to sites and carts. So, in summary, Temu is a pretty legitimate platform. My friend actually received a gift from this, and it offers affordable products, but we should be caution enough to conduct due diligence to ensure a safe and satisfactory shopping experience.